Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to show you how to install Zend framework in Windows using WAMP, and here's my WAMP up here. So what I did was I first went to Downloads, latest release, and I got the minimal package, and that has everything I need. So I have it right here unzipped, and inside of it I have a library. That's mostly what we'll be using, all this crap, and the bin and the ZF BAT file. So I'm gonna open up my Windows Explorer and go to F drive, WAMP, and this is where I want to put my Zend framework. I'm gonna put mine in bin, PHP, right here. I don't know why. It doesn't matter to me. And I'll make a new folder and call this Zend framework. And go in here and open this folder up. And I'm just gonna put all this stuff in here. Okay. And I can go ahead and delete this. So what we have to do is make our PHP include path always know where Zend framework is. That way we only need one copy on our entire workstation. So I'll go to PHP ini and Control F to find, and I'm going to look for include path. Okay, there it is, right here, and I'll delete this, and I'm going to get the address up here, copy, and paste. I might actually have to include /library, I think, so I'll do /library. I'm not certain about that actually at the moment. Close that, and what we want to do is make it so the Zend, we can use this from the command line right here. So I'm going to right click my computer and go to Properties and Advanced System Settings, and go to your Advanced tab right up at the top, and we're going to edit an environment variable. And down in this little box under path, I'm going to edit, and I want to get this address right here. I'll go to the end of this, semicolon, and paste. Cool. Okay, okay, okay. And to test it out, I'm going to open up Windows PowerShell and just type in the word or letter ZF, and that means it knows it's there. So I'll leave that open at the moment. What we got to do is configure Apache so that it knows how to run a thing. So I'm going to create a new Zend framework project. I'll just go to CD. So I'm in F drive, and I'll go to my workspace, and I'll do ZF create project. I'll call this Zendy. And if you have PHP unit install, you won't get that message. So I can go down to workspace, Zendy, and we have all this stuff in here, and pretty good. Public is the folder in which will display the front of your website. So this is the only thing the website will be able to access. All these things over here, this can't be accessed from a browser. Okay, so it makes it more secure. And to do this, we are going to edit our Apache httpd.config, and we're just going to make a virtual host. And I already have some of these typed out. Basically, it looks like HTML tabs, virtual host, and 127. This is how I like to do it. Okay, like that. Now, if you don't have any entries like this in here, make sure up at the top you have this name virtual host above your listings. And I'm going to make my document root will be this directory, document root. Okay, and don't get your drive letters confused. Make sure you have the exact correct path. And I'm going to call my server name Zendy. And now we're going to specify the directory. And I'm just going to paste that same thing in there and end that. And I'm just going to copy all this stuff here. You can pause the video and write all this out. And I think that'll be good. And I'll save. Close. Okay, the last step, Windows folder. This part's a little confusing if you've never done it. I'm going to go to System 32, Drivers, etc, and the host file. And I'll just open this up with Notepad, and we're going to bind the Zend virtual host to this. So Zend, save, and close. And lastly, I'm going to restart all services. And up here, let's go to Zend right here. And here we have it. Welcome to Zend Framework. This is your project's main page. And that's pretty much it. Where my F drive, workspace, Zend. The library here is empty, but it's really using the included files from our PHP include path. There are a little bit different configurations you can do, but this is just a quick start to get going. And thanks for watching, guys.